Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.8, Problem 5. This is Section 1.8, Problem 5. It says Jerry spends $8 every day on scratch tickets, and then there are three parts. Part A says how much does he spend every week on scratch tickets. B is how much does he spend every month on scratch tickets, assuming 30 days in a month, because obviously some months have 31 days. And then C, how much does he spend in a year on scratch tickets. So just figure a regular year, not a leap year, because there's an extra day for a leap year. So for part A, how much does he spend in a week? Well, you could start off by saying Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it's $8 each day, and add it up, and you would get 56. But a better way to do it would just be to do 7 days in a week times $8 each day is 56. So either way, you get $56 every week spent on scratch tickets. So where there are 7 days in a week, the first method where I list out the days and list the $8 is fairly feasible. But by the time I get to part C, that's not really a good method to use. The method of just multiplying is better. So even for B, so I have 30 days in a month. Again, February most years has 28. Leap years, February has 29. Some months have 30, some have 31. Just to keep the problem simple, we'll figure 30 days in a month. So using the method of multiplication, I'll multiply the 30 days in the month times the $8 per day. So, and I'll put it down underneath. So B, I have 30 days from the month times 8. Now you could multiply this out the long way if you don't have a calculator. Now from a previous section, multiplying big numbers where some of the digits are zeros, you can use a shortcut. I'll just initially ignore the 0 and focus on 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24, and then the 0 that I ignored, I'll put it back. And 24 with a 0 on the end is 240. So, how much money does Jerry spend every month on scratch tickets? $240 every month. That's getting close to a car payment, or for a used car at least. So for part B, $240 every month for scratch tickets. And then C, how much does he spend in 1 year on scratch tickets? Again, assuming that it's not a leap year. Regular year, most years have 365 days, and then every 4 years we have leap year, so it's 366 days on a leap year. So not a leap year would be 365 days times $8 each day. So that'll multiply out to quite a bit over the period of 1 year. So let's multiply. 8 times 365, I can't use the shortcut method that I use for part B. I actually have to do the multiplication. So I'll start with 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. I'll put the 0 from the 40 under the far right column, carry the 4 from the 40 to the top of the next column. Now I'll do 8 times 6 and add 4 to that result. 8 times 6 is 48, and then 48 plus 4 more is 52. So for 52, I'll put the 2 from the 52 under the column where I'm working, and I'll carry the 5 from the 52 to the top of the next column. Now I'll do 8 times 3 and add 5 to that result. 8 times 3 is 24, and then 24 plus the 5 more that I carried from the previous column. 24 plus 5 more is 29. And now that's in terms of money. So in the period of 1 year, Jerry will spend $2,920 on scratch tickets. So even if he hits a $1,000 winner, he's losing a pretty good amount of money. That's quite a bit, $8 every day. I get that from 8 per day times 365 days.